6.7 Powerstroke Fuel Filter Kit, also known as Fuel Filter Water Separator Kit, including frame rail engine-mounted elements, removes 99.8% of particles 5 microns or larger. Helps prevent stalling, poor starting and potential engine failure. Fit the following vehicle 6.7 Powerstroke Fuel Filter Kit compatible with 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 Ford 6.7L Powerstroke V8 diesel, including 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty, 2011 to 2016 Ford F-350 Super Duty, 2011 to 2016 F-450 Super Duty, 2011 to 2016 F-550 Super Duty. Replace part hash. Replace Ford BC3Z9N184B BC3Z9N184B. Replace Motorcraft FD4615 FD4615, commonly found on 6.7L Powerstroke V8 diesel Ford models, including 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Ford F-250 Super Duty and F-350 Super Duty, F-450 Super Duty, F-550 Super Duty. OEM design direct fit. Quality materials. Advanced technology used, meets or exceeds OEM standards. Even though this is not a genuine Ford or Motorcraft fuel filter, but it works even better and lasts longer. Save yourself times and money by replacing fuel filter kit yourself. What you'll get: one set of fuel filter water separator kit, 12 months warranty. If you have any problem with our fuel filter, feel free to contact us, we will sort things out together. Top reviews from the United States. Just as advertised. Bought this in place of having it done for me at $199. Easy to install. All parts fit good.